Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this awesome paper snake. You will need paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, glue, a marker, and googly eyes. First, take your paper and use your ruler to measure out lots of long, even strips. Carefully cut these out with your scissors. Once you have cut out your strips, glue the ends of 2 strips together and then fold them over one another like this. Once you reach the end of the strips, attach new ones with glue and continue weaving them together until you have used all your strips. Then cut out an oval, which will be your snake's face, and decorate it with googly eyes, nostrils, and a scary snake tongue. Glue the head onto the snake's body, and just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own paper snake. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.